Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So first of all, I'm using my Kama rose water and going to apply my current favorite moisturizer with SPF 30. So now using my master strobing cream on my whole face. I'm using it on my whole face. See if you can see the glowiness in my skin. So yeah, it's done. Now I'm going to hide my scar. So yeah, it's done. Now on top of it, I'm using my Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. Blender. आपको अच्छे से ये प्रेस करना है स्किन के अंदर. You don't have to drag it, just press it so that it look like a skin only. So yeah, it's done. Now I'm going to use my Nykaa Skin Foundation, this much, and just applying all over my face. Now comes the contouring part. I'm using LA Girls Velvet contouring stick. Serum. Now we have to blend it. We have to press it so that it will be like, स्किन के जैसे ही ये लगे कि स्किन है, कुछ हमने एक्स्ट्रा नहीं किया है. अब हमको सेट करना है अपने मेकअप को. एंड here I'm using my Chichi palette. I'm taking this yellow one and just applying it under my eyes. Setting my base. I am using this darker shade to set my contour. I am using Freedom eyebrow pomade. Eyebrows are done. So eyebrows are done, and I'm going to apply blush on. I'm mixing both of these shades and just applying on my teeth. For highlighting, I'm going to use this shimmer. If you can see this here, I will set all this with my NYX Dewy finish. blender and just so base is ready. Now move on to eye part. So I'm going to apply the same concealer to my eyelid. I'm just going to set it. For transition, I am using this pink, light pink shade. This is my first transition shade. Now I'm taking this bright pink color and just applying it on my crease area. And same shade I'm applying to my lower lash line. इसको यहाँ पर डेप्थ देने के लिए I'm using this color, this small blending brush. I'm putting the color. Now I'm taking my concealer and just going to cut the crease. Now I'm using this light sky blue color. Take here this brush again and dip it in the same color, this one and this one. I'm mixing both these colors. ये दोनों mix करके I am just gently that I am just applying this shimmery pink color onto my hair. I'm going to apply this shade onto my brow bone just to enhance. Blue Heavens eyeliner. Colossal Lash Mascara. So I have applied bindi also for this traditional look, and today I am applying this Color Bar lipstick, and its number is Feeling Hot 93. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you like this video, and if you do like this video, please like it, share it and subscribe to my channel.